Good morning. They said it's Vlogmas time. So December 3rd, and I decided no more coffee for the month of December, man. It's gonna be nothing but green tea. No sugar, no nothing. Green tea, month of December. So if you guys see me drinking a Tim Hortons or a Starbucks cup, just know it's green tea in there. I'll even prove it to you guys, right? You'll definitely see this because they don't make this for coffee, right? So Vlogmas season is here. First time doing it. Tell you the truth, I don't even know what it means. I don't even know what it stands for. I'm gonna do some research tonight. I think you have to vlog every day until December 25th. I think that's how it goes. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments down below, please. But yeah, off to a great start. Just about at my truck. It didn't take me too long to get here. And with that said, I got 2 calls that I got guaranteed today. They didn't bail on me, so I'm on my way to the truck and then head to Brampton to pick up the first load. The second load is at he asked me for about 2:00 p.m. to do the second load, and in between that I'm like, I'm not gonna just stick around, so I'll make some calls in between. But as I'm thinking about making the calls in between, before I jumped on the camera here, I sent out a message to individual, and I'm like, hey, you know, can't lie to you, bro. It's been 7 weeks. You haven't sent me my pay, man. I did 7 weeks of work and I haven't been paid. So obviously, this time of the season sucks. You don't want to not get paid, man. You're going into the Christmas season. You want to buy gifts. You want to pay your bills. You want to keep the heat and you want to keep the heat on, right? And the lights. So he said, I apologize. He's also feeling the same thing in terms of he's running down his customers so he can be paid. And it's a little tip for you guys today, man. For you guys that are self-employed in a sense. When you do so much work, remember I said in a few vlogs before, have a limit that you don't want to cross, right? In terms of how much work you do and how much it adds up to, and you say, hey, this is my cutoff because I haven't been paid as yet. So I can't do any more jobs moving forward until you take care of these back bills, right? And it's just reality. It's just part of life that you're not always going to get paid on time when you're self-employed. This is the hassle that we have to deal with. We got to run down our vendors, our clients to try and get that pay, right? So we can pay who we need to pay, because I also have other drivers that work underneath me. If I can't make a run, I dispatch it to them. And if I'm waiting 7 weeks for my pay, that means they're also waiting 7 weeks for their pay. It shouldn't be like that. I wish I had enough cash flow that I can pay them, and then I'm just waiting for mine to come back in to reimburse me. But unfortunately, we ain't got it like that. So yeah, man, that is what it is. So he said I'm gonna get paid today, and he said he'll do that shortly within the hour, and then within the hour he'll also have some more loads for me. So that can work. Take care of this, I'll do your loads. But you can't give me the loads first and I didn't get the pay. That will never happen. I ain't working backwards like that. There's no taking advantage of this guy. CEO. Got it? So, yeah, man. I'm going to enjoy this green tea for the rest of the month. Oh, man. No coffee. Coffee doesn't do nothing for me, to be honest with you. I think what coffee does for me, it relaxes me in terms of I can drink it and go to sleep right after. It doesn't give me a high, doesn't give me a rush. I don't have the jitters, nothing. So yeah, maybe, yeah, who knows? Anyways, green tea from here on out. I'm at the truck. I'm gonna jump in, start that up, get that warm, and then see what else the day holds. But yeah, day 1 of Vlogmas. Hope you guys enjoy it. Picked up the first load, and it's tile. Tile is heavy as shit. So in case you guys are wondering about tile is one heavy skid. So the skids are too heavy, so they had to break it down into 3 skids. So out of that 3 skids now, I gotta tailgate these when I get to the drop-off location. That's gonna be annoying as shit, because when you're when the electric pump, the wheels are rubber, so rubber and water don't mix too well. So we'll see. It's gonna be a struggle. So total is 4,026 pounds. That's 1,826 kgs. So when I do the math and what I'm supposed to be charging, I hope the customer realizes heavyweight. That means I can't put nothing else in my truck, so I have to charge a higher premium price. So it is what it is. See you guys in. I am going to Hamilton to deliver. So see you guys in Hamilton. So I've arrived. It's a narrow friggin' driveway. They want me to dump these skids at the side of the house. So I'm gonna see how this goes. Take you guys along with me, because I don't know, for some reason I don't think it's gonna go smooth. But we're here, so let's do the damn thing. That's what we came to do. Boy. Alright. Side door, so I guess they wanted to drop here. This is the side door. Alright, so let's see. Let's see how this goes. Outside's cold, man. It's like -4. -4 today, it's cold. Alright. Tailgates going down. First one down. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, all right? All 3 skids have been dropped and located at the customer's house. And now I'm out. I'm out of here, man. Wasn't too bad as I thought it would be. Yeah, that's it. Little slip and slide, which is gonna happen because the rubber and the snow or the sand or the ice, that shit will happen, right? But it wasn't too bad. So now that's done. I'm going to make a quick stop. I need fuel, gas. It's going to take my money once again. But at least I made some money this time before I spend the money. All right. And then we'll see what else we get into. Because I remember my next call is not until 2. So I'm going to see if I can get anything in between that as well. All right, guys. That's what's up. Watch. See it there? See it? Very low. Very, very, very low. I want it up here. I want it to say full. So you got a deal, 2 for $12 or 1 for $8. 2 2 for 12 or 1 for 8. So makes sense. Let's grab the 2 for 12. All right, ready to take my money. There we go, man. Highway 6 is truly a trucker's highway, you know. Highway 6 going southbound is truly a trucker's highway, especially right at the intersection of Dundas. It's like every truck comes this way. I don't know if there's a scale there. No, man, because there's a scale way up there. So I just think this is like a cutoff point where they can go in different directions from here. But man, look at that. Beer trucks are come down. But as I was driving, as I'm at the gas station and I'm filming, I realized Costco has the windshield washer fluid, $12 or $14 for 4. So that's a better buy, man. Let me take my ass to Costco and get 4 of them for $14 instead of this 2 for 12. Nothing to make it. That math ain't mathing. So just a heads up to you guys that have a Costco card, go to Costco for your windshield washer fluid. So I got another run, thanks to Rich. Salute you again, bro. It helped out a lot. 8 skids, just delivered a rolls. Delivered that here in Mississauga/Brampton. And now I'm off to my 2 o'clock, but it's 3 o'clock. So I'm an hour behind, but it's okay because I got to fill in by adding another run. So it works out for me. So I'm off to Brampton, as I said, pick up this last run, deliver that, and then, if I'm not mistaken, if time is on my side, I'm gonna pick up my load that's going out tomorrow morning. So I'll pick it up from tonight, that way I can just leave out early tomorrow and drop it off and continue with the rest of my day. So, see y'all at the next pickup. So I picked up that load, and it was a successful day. So I'm leaving Oakville now, Oakville/Mississauga. I'm gonna drive the truck home because the drop off for this pickup that I just did, it's going to be dropped off in St. Catharines. So it doesn't make sense that I park my truck here in Mississauga, go home, wake up early, come back to pick up my truck to go back past my house again. That no make it. We're not do that. So yeah, man, think smart. If you have the ability to park the truck close to your home or at your home, and you have that morning delivery and it's heading the same way that you live, might as well do it that way, man. So that's it. Vlogmas is in the books, day 1. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that bullshit. Know what I mean? You guys have a wonderful night, man. Take care.